Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us for another great ITWeb webinar. My name is James Francis. I will be your MC for today, facilitating a conversation where we will be looking at EdTech, education and technology, a topic that has become very, very prevalent in the last 2 years, but frankly has been topical for as long as I've been in this industry, and that's over 20 years. I can still remember some of the first times I went to look at launches of smart classrooms, of new devices, of all kinds of, let's call them gadgets and doodads to enhance the learning experience. But like many things, there has been a real test on educators during the pandemic period when we suddenly had to embrace virtual teaching. And now we are looking at a hybrid world. Everything is going to go hybrid, and there's a good reason for it. It's convenient, it works, it reaches people. It's not the best to only be virtual, but there's a lot more you can do when you combine those two spaces. Paramount to that, though, is what's happening in the background. Do you have the systems? Do you have the digital maturity and infrastructure to make education work in the digital space?
So just a little bit about AWS, who we are. In 2006, after we spent quite some time, a few years running our Amazon e-commerce platform, we actually realized that we had gained a competence in terms of running hyperscale cloud infrastructure. So we decided to take this competence that we had gained and to be able to offer it to organizations of all kinds. So just in terms of what the benefits of cloud computing are, I mean, if we look at the legacy world, so the on-premise world prior to public cloud, one needed to outlay actually a huge capital cost. So you really needed to have the money up front to be able to buy millions of rands, millions of dollars worth of IT infrastructure. Really the game changer through cloud is that ability to be able to swap out capital expenditure for operation expenditure. And it also speaks to really the power that it has given and the accessibility that AWS public cloud has given to all sorts of customers.
What we recommend to a lot of clients is to start small. Start off with a project where you can prove that there's some benefit to your particular organization for moving to cloud. So there are quite a few challenges in the TVET space in South Africa. A lot of these TVETs traditionally have been in underserved areas.
We offer our customers, we'd be able to see what is that repository of the current legacy and how do we then build a roadmap in terms of migrating to cloud. A lot of our customers will say as well, being all in AWS, maybe eventually, but at this stage, we really want to also have a phased approach in terms of how we migrate. So really in terms of us sitting down with you, between myself or any of the other AWS representatives or any of our certified partners, we would be able to map out that specific journey that addresses your specific use case. So please do get in touch.
Yeah. I had a great time. I'm glad you did too. I hope I see you for the next one. Please enjoy the rest of your week and we'll chat soon. With that, goodbye.